yabo ngiyayithola so it was part of ukungikhulisa.
When you were into it,
Yes.
did you question yourself ukuthi why me, why now? Because akunanto that was humbling me wena ubungazange uqhubeke nawo, but you were there for your friend, you were campaigning for your friend, you were supportive of your friend and
Ngisho ukuthi makwenzeka le nto leyana ne hayi ingqondo yami, I don't know if I should say half of my brain was, should I say dysfunctional?
inali le gama.
Ngilithola today le gama.
Yes.
Yeah, it was being a sure ngayo yabo ukuthi yabo. So but most of the things, some of the things I still remember yabo. But ezinye banokungitshela ukuthi phela ubewenza so thola ukuthi hayi angisakhumbuli yabo.
But ukhona umuntu nje avele nje uvela uvuke nje seunjani.
Yeah, it happened and I remember.
Because mina mangizwa ngithi awusandile. Okay fine, they did announce ukuthi you want not going to awusandile yahlanya.
Yeah, it happened
And
like
I'm
that.
sorry ibe kanje amarekazi ku the ways kwavela kwathi ukuthi uyahlanya.
Yeah, vele bekunjalo because bengikuleso simo leso sokuthi like angisiyimi yabo, angisiyimi 100%.
And but you know the nicest part when ibisenzeka kuwe so wena ukhumbule next, can you imagine abo Filmoni and your family who had to witness you in that?
Yes.
I think babantu abalimala kakhulu because I don't think ihlanya liyazi ukuthi liyahlanya.
Yes.
But people who were witnessing that, I think ikhatha kubo even deeper. But uNkulunkulu khona.
Yeah, ukhona because nakho sengila
We are here.
still nje kube umusa wakhe. Like nje ey'ntweni eziningi masidlula kuzo singabantu. Ifana nanoma wena sisili uzonceda umuntu ne. Ongathathi credit.
Yes.
Ongathathi credit because of uNkulunkulu uye kuko konke. You know, so ukufika kwethu la sikhona or even ukuphila nje size sifike kule minyaka esikuyo. Akusi ukuthi ngoba singama genius thina or we are smarter than others. Sase yiwo umusa kaNkulunkulu and that is why I later realized ukuthi yazini ukuthandaza nje umbonge means a lot. You know, ukuthandaza ucele, ukuthandaza should be kumele kube umngani wakho mawumuntu ohlonipha uNkulunkulu noma mawumuntu omsaba uNkulunkulu. So yeah,
I mean, I'm glad that you found closure. I think
Yes,
into
I have.
engiphilisayo
Yes, I
because
have.
I was tippy-toeing around it. I've been, but for me to find out, Wuti, you've dealt with it and you found answers
Yes.
through it.
And it's only recently,
Yeah.
only now that I realized ukuthi okay, no, life yami kwenzeke kanje nakanje. Sengibuyisela izinto emuva like oh no wonder why. Ikhona lento le. Understand? Ikhona lento le ebeyenza konke lokho. Yeah, but ke eventually at least seyivelile. Ibonakele, you understand? Itholakele. It's more like angazi ngizothi beyikuphi.
Yeah.
Yabo.
But it's all like it.
Itholakele.
I love it. And then now, let's look at Usandile then. Usandile now and Usandile in future. And kuyo yonke lonto leyo, what would you say to that young Sandile?
To the young Sandile.
Who was he then, and what would you want to say to him? And who is Sandile now, and who is Sandile in the next future?
Mina ngingam owakudala or the young Sandile. Okokuqala ngingamshayela izandla. Ngimbonge for ukuba brave, for all for ukusurvive yonke lento adlule kuyo, because it was not easy. You understand? So firstly ngingambonga, ngimshayela izandla ukuthi hayi ntwana, although ezinye izinto azihambanga the way bowuplanning ngakhona, but I'm proud of you. You understand? Yimi loyo ngitshela yena sasemncane eza kanje ekhula. And then kunezinye futhi azenzile angekho proud ngazo. You understand? Kulezo mhlambe sengatshela my sons and daughters ukuthi baqaphele.
Yes.
You understand? And if banendlebe
bazomamela uthe it's very crucial.
It's very yes. Yabo if banendlebe ebukhali impilo zabo zizoba ngcono than impilo
kababa. You know, my cousin said we need to teach our kids what we've learned last.
Yes. It's very important.
Uthenje, we need to teach them what we've learned last, not what we were taught, but what when you've accumulated until you learn this what made me survive until this far.
Yes.
So you agree on that?
Yes, that's very true.
Okay.
Yeah, so manje ngi currently ngikuye.
Yeah.
And ngi proud ngosandile wamanje because of even ukuzithemba, even faith, ukholo lwakhe lukhulile, ukhule kuzo zonke izinto. It's just that nje sekalinde lo ozayo, the future Sandile.
Yes.
Ukuthi uNkulunkulu mayiqala unfolda izinto zakhe amdlalela zona
uzobe sekapolished.
Although mara now lama bruises wakhe lawo but uzobe sekayajabula then. Yeah, I understand.
What keeps your resilience?
Yilo ukholo lwami still.
Yeah.
Like ukholo lwami when I was still a teenager bengingakayi understand this whole thing, but I remember man bengihlezi ngicurious. Makuthiwa asine esontweni, I always had questions.
Yeah, why?
Ukuthi lento kaJesu le hayi mara ngathi scam. You know, people will always have those
I still feel that way.
Topics, you know. Mara ngathi scam. Why lo muntu lo, you know, babuza ama questions are relevant. And mina ngifuna ukwazi vele for real. So I used to go to church like because of bengiloku ngicurious. And that is where I learned ukuba grounded and nokuba strong, ukuthi ngihlezi ngi-strong like nanoma ngabe sekwenzakalani, you know, kuze kufike lezi zinto lezi zokuthi sengidlule etshwaleni.
Yeah.
You know, ngidlule etshwaleni.
Mangala nokuthi awuphuzi.
Yeah, ngake ngaphuza utshwala mina. Ngake ngaphuza utshwala strong.
Yeah.
Strong. And the way bengiphuza ngakhona ngazizwela ubuhlungu one day ukuthi mfana yo
uzuzwele ngokwakho.
Trust me.
You had a one-on-one.
Yeah, there was this one moment sibuya eshowini nginjani. Imanager yethu yangishoot qeda ngibonisa. Thima qeda ngibonisa. Hayi. I was not proud. So izinto yana ezinjalo.
But mostly siyesiphuze ngoba sizama ukuvala something. What were you avoiding?
Mina I was not avoiding everything. Bengibuthanda.
Okay.
Bengibuthanda.